If you want to create a sticker icon in Figma quickly and easily, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. This is a super simple method that works great whether you're making app assets, social media graphics, or just adding fun sticker style elements to your design. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump into Figma. First, open your Figma design file and go to the canvas where you want your sticker icon to appear. Once you're in your project, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This opens the menu where you can access extra tools that help you build faster inside Figma. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a really useful plugin because it gives you access to a huge library of icons, making it easy to find exactly what you need without creating one from scratch. After you see it in the results, open the plugin. Once Iconify is open, use the search bar inside the plugin and type sticker. This will bring up sticker-related icons and designs you can use in your file. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the one that fits your project best. If you want a clean look, go with a simple outline icon. If you want something more playful, choose a bold sticker-style graphic. When you've found the icon you want, just drag and drop it directly onto the canvas. Figma will place it into your design so you can move it, resize it, and style it however you like. You can make it larger for a more prominent sticker effect, or keep it small if you're using it as a UI detail. From here, you can also duplicate it, change colors, or combine it with other elements in your layout. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a sticker icon in Figma using Iconify without needing to build one manually. It's fast, easy, and perfect for speeding up your workflow. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.